Welcome back to AI Money Magnets, the place where you learn how to make money using AI. We're about to reveal an AI-driven business idea that could potentially net you an impressive $6,000 per month. What's this golden opportunity? Printable flashcards for children. Using vivid images and words, these cards make learning fun and engaging. You're not just building a business, but also making a positive impact on young lives. And with AI doing the heavy lifting, it's easier than ever to get started. So how do you turn this noble idea into a profitable venture? Let's find out, and stay tuned for a bonus strategy to help you stand out and boost sales. Begin by exploring Etsy for printable flashcards. You'll find a noticeable demand, yet surprisingly minimal competition. The demand for these educational tools is skyrocketing as more people recognize their value, making it an ideal time to dive in. You'll encounter diverse niches and styles, from farm animal flashcards to alphabet ones, showcasing the limitless potential for income in this arena. Frequent positive reviews across these listings suggest a thriving market. One successful store, for example, generates around $6,000 per month and has amassed over $200,000 since its inception. Now, let's break down the journey from conception to reality, starting with brainstorming your flashcards. There are two approaches, with the latter being significantly easier. First, you could conduct an intensive manual review of competitors' listings on Etsy, studying factors such as the number of cards, the artistic style, images, product descriptions, titles, and more. Don't forget to sift through customer reviews to pinpoint what buyers appreciate and what they think needs improvement. This will help you differentiate your flashcards by creating something even better. Moving on to our second approach, we harness the power of ChatGPT. By prompting ChatGPT for 10 animal-themed flashcard ideas, you're instantly equipped with a variety of exciting choices. With ideas for flashcards on animal names, sounds, and baby animals, you're all set. If you're unsure about your niche, ChatGPT is also a great tool for brainstorming. Once you've pinned down your product concept, the journey to a tangible product begins. We start with the heart of flashcards, the illustrations. While you might not possess the necessary design prowess for these illustrations, worry not. An AI text-to-image generator comes to your rescue. We endorse Midjourney for this purpose. It stands out for its expansive customization options and the high caliber of its images. Additionally, it's cost-effective. A $10 plan offers full commercial rights to the images. However, this isn't your only option. AI tools like Stable Diffusion and Leonardo AI are also viable alternatives. Let's dive into a practical example using Midjourney. The prompt, or the text we use to generate AI images, is critical. In our case, we'll partition our prompt into 3 sections: subject, style, and customization. Based on our AI-inspired concept, our initial illustration will be a puppy. Including adult animals alongside their younger counterparts is a winning strategy, so our prompt subject becomes a dog with a puppy. For design styles, we have an array of options, from cartoon style and hand-drawn to oil painting and more. But considering our audience, kids, we'll opt for the Disney cartoon style, rendering it as a dog with a puppy in Disney cartoon style. For customization, we'll choose a white background for this example as we intend to remove it later. Additional customizations like color, lighting, environment, and mood can also be incorporated. Midjourney generates 4 images to choose from. Rinse and repeat the process for all your illustrations. Once completed, we move on to the thrilling part, designing the flashcards in Canva. Canva provides a free and user-friendly platform for designing printable flashcards. Simply Google Canva Flashcard Maker and follow the first link. Upload your Midjourney creations and select a suitable flashcard template from Canva's assortment. Replace the template illustration with your own and update the word label. Dragging and dropping the illustration onto the template is as easy as pie. However, you'll need to remove the illustration's background. This can be quickly done using Canva Pro or any other free online background remover at your disposal. Let's proceed to the next step, adjusting the size of the illustration to align with the card. This process repeats until all your images are utilized. Feel free to customize the card's color or even select a new font to suit your preference. As of now, we have successfully constructed the primary card, complete with captivating illustrations and associated word labels. Nevertheless, we have to generate 2 more versions, one highlighting illustrations only, and the other spotlighting word labels exclusively. After completing this, ensure to save your creative outputs as a PDF print, marking the successful creation of your printable flashcards. But we're not quite finished yet. The upcoming phase involves transitioning your digital designs into tangible products. To accomplish this, we'll employ a print-on-demand platform, Printify. Whenever a customer purchases your product on Etsy, Printify manages the printing and delivery aspects. Thus, you are freed from any labor-intensive tasks as everything is orchestrated seamlessly on your behalf. To embark on your journey with Printify, start by navigating to the Printify website and clicking the Create an Account button. Input your email and desired password, then proceed to set up your account by clicking Create Account. After account creation, your next step is to bridge your Etsy store and Printify. This is achieved by going to the My Stores tab within your Printify account and clicking on Connect Store. Input your Etsy store credentials and select Connect Store. Following this, you're primed to upload your flashcard designs to Printify. To do so, head over to the Uploads tab and select Upload Artwork. Upon successful upload, you can generate a preview to visualize your design as a printed flashcard. If it meets your satisfaction, you're ready to publish your product. However, ensure to create an engaging and informative product description to captivate potential customers. Leveraging ChatGPT can streamline the creation of your product description as well. Simply provide a prompt to ChatGPT that includes key details about your product and let the AI generate a compelling description. This means you offer ChatGPT the necessary product information and it will handle the rest, creating a captivating product narrative to engage potential customers. Now that your Etsy shop is set up, you might think it's time to sit back and let the sales flow in. But we have an extra strategy up our sleeve that could turbocharge your sales. Our research shows that most competitors simply offer a pack of flashcards, no more, no less. But you can outshine them by going that extra mile, offering a complimentary freebie, such as coloring pages that match your flashcard theme. Creating these bonus pages is straightforward using the same tools, Midjourney or any similar AI text-to-image generator for illustrations, and Canva for templates. Think of the delight your customers will feel when they find not just high-quality flashcards, but also bonus coloring pages in their package, absolutely free. This added value can spike your sales, possibly leading to a rapid increase in earnings. To sustain this growth, diversify your flashcard designs across different niches and continue to expand your Etsy store's offerings. This proactive approach will keep your store fresh, engaging, and flourishing. Moreover, consider incorporating customer feedback to further refine and tailor your offerings. Customers often provide valuable insights that can help you improve and create products they'll love even more. This not only boosts your sales, but also builds a strong relationship with your customers, fostering loyalty. Additionally, make use of social media platforms to promote your Etsy shop. Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are great avenues to showcase your flashcards and coloring pages, attracting more potential customers to your shop. Offering discounts or promotional deals for multiple purchases can also be an effective strategy. For example, you could offer a buy two, get one free deal or provide a percentage discount on bulk purchases. This incentivizes larger orders, increasing your overall sales. Lastly, keep an eye on trends in children's education and adjust your offerings accordingly. For instance, if there's a surge in interest in space exploration, consider creating a flashcard set themed around planets and astronauts. Being flexible and responsive to trends keeps your shop relevant and appealing. Remember, the key to a successful business is to continually evolve, adapt, and provide value. Keep these points in mind, and your Etsy shop will not just survive, but thrive. And there you have it, our secret business idea. We hope this journey has been filled with valuable insights and useful takeaways. Should you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. If you haven't yet, we invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our insightful content.